Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Logitech macros for DA Hood. Macros can significantly enhance your gameplay by automating complex sequences with a single button press. We will focus on using the Logitech G Hub software, which is your central hub for all Logitech gaming gear. First, make sure your Logitech device, whether it's a mouse or keyboard, is properly connected and detected by the G Hub application. Now, let's create your first macro. Launch Logitech G Hub and click on your gaming device. On the left side, you will see the Assignments tab. Click that, then select Macros. Next, click Create New Macro and give it a memorable name, perhaps DA Hood Punch or Quick Heal. For most actions, choose the No Repeat option, but toggle is great for continuous effects. With your macro named, it's time to record the actions. Click Start Recording and then perform the exact sequence of key presses or mouse clicks you want the macro to execute. Once done, click Stop Recording. You'll see a list of recorded actions. It's crucial to adjust the delays between each step. Often, a delay of 50 milliseconds to 100 milliseconds works well for smooth execution. You can also manually add or delete steps. Finally, let's assign and test your macro. Simply drag your new macro from the list and drop it onto any programmable button on your Logitech mouse or keyboard. Don't forget to save your profile changes within G Hub. Now, launch DA Hood and test your macro in a safe area to ensure it performs exactly as intended. If it's too fast or too slow, head back to G Hub and fine-tune those delays until it's perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.